It is time once again for The Law and You. Joining us today, we have attorneys Corey Suda and Ed Ciarimboli. Greg is off tonight.
He dresses better than Greg.
Well, yeah,
That's
I
a
would
given.
say so. All right, so the style is up here on the show. Now it's time to get to the legal advice. We'll see how that goes. We have a picture to share with you today. We'll get to the question first. Nancy in Hazleton says, I fell last week coming out of this facility on the ice. I broke my leg in 3 places. Do I have a case? So it's a slip and fall.
Right.
And we'll take a look at the photo here to reference what's going on. And this is the picture that we have. So I see steps. I see a glaze of ice there on the landing and the steps. So what do you think here?
And you could see on there there's even a little bit of salt. So here's a business like this, or any business for that matter, they have an obligation to make sure the entrance or exit is safe. So, you know, when it's cold, when there's ice, they have to keep those steps clear from ice. There's something called the hills and ridges doctrine that kind of applies to parking lots where, you know, if it forms in an unreasonable hill or ridge, but entrances, stairs, you know, exits, they are a little bit different. And obviously they're on notice of the ice because they were salting, they just didn't do it adequately enough. So you potentially would have a case here. I want to have Corey tell you what you're going to need to do to make sure you can move forward with it, but you potentially have a case there.
The most important thing to do is first to take a picture of where you slipped and fell. You know, you don't know if you have a case. We wouldn't be able to tell if you have a case unless we have those pictures. The next thing you want to do is get any medical records. Go see the doctor, make sure you're okay, and get any medical records from that doctor. As soon as myself or Ed would get the case, we could send out a spoliation letter to possibly get surveillance footage of the fall, actually. That will just help your case even more.
That's a great point. And witness, you know, surveillance video, lots of businesses now have, you know, video of entrances or exits, and also witness statements. So we want to make sure that, you know, we memorialize contemporaneously, you know, with the incident, any witness statements that are out there.
All right, don't forget, if you need legal advice, you can give the guys a call or check them out online. Results matter with attorneys Corey Suda and Ed Ciarimboli. Have a good night, guys.
Thanks,
Steve.
PAHomepage.com, and the Law and You hotline is there for you.